Hello students, good day to all of you. Students, our today's topic is SN1 reaction mechanism from the chapter halogen derivatives. SN1 reaction mechanism means substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. In the last lecture, we studied SN2 reaction mechanism, which was one-step mechanism with the formation of one transition state, no intermediate, and with inversion of configuration, that is Walden inversion. Now we shall study some important points about SN1 reaction mechanism first, and then go to the actual mechanism of this reaction. Reaction between tertiary butyl bromide and hydroxide ion to give tertiary butyl alcohol follows the SN1 reaction mechanism. Now we know tertiary butyl bromide, it is CH3 thrice CBr, such type of compound we are going to study in the reaction afterwards. So tertiary butyl bromide and hydroxide ion, OH minus ion, from the reagent, it will be nucleophile. So from the reagent sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, this hydroxide ion will be there, and this reaction gives the product tertiary butyl alcohol, and this reaction follows SN1 reaction mechanism. Now this reaction follows a first order kinetic. I told you SN1 is substitution nucleophilic unimolecular or first order. That means this reaction or this mechanism, it follows first order kinetics. Then rate of the reaction depends upon concentration of only one reactant, that is substrate, and substrate in this reaction is tertiary butyl bromide, and therefore it is first order reaction, or its kinetics is first order reaction, because the rate of this reaction depends upon concentration of only one reactant, and that is tertiary butyl bromide. Therefore this reaction is called as SN1 reaction, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular or unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. Now this is the actual reaction. This is tertiary butyl bromide CH3C, CH3CH3Br plus OH minus from the reagent. We get CH3C, CH3CH3OH. This is tertiary butyl alcohol plus Br minus bromide ion as the side product is given out. Now in this reaction, rate of the reaction is equal to, it is given, K into CH3 thrice CBr, concentration of CH3 thrice CBr. What is the meaning of this rate equation? Rate is equal to K, it is the rate constant for SN1 mechanism. Then this box bracket, square bracket, it indicates the concentration of this species, and this species is CH3 thrice CBr, that means tertiary butyl bromide. This is tertiary butyl bromide, same compound. So rate of this reaction is directly proportional to concentration of tertiary butyl bromide only, and not the concentration of nucleophile, unlike the SN2 reaction. So here in SN1 reaction, the concentration of tertiary butyl bromide, that is substrate, affects the rate of the reaction. Now the steps in SN1 reaction mechanism. Now what are the steps? Actually in this reaction there are two steps. In any reaction there are more than one step, then the slowest step in the reaction mechanism, it is called as RDS, rate determining step. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस एक पेक्षा जास्त स्टेप्स एखाद्या मेकॅनिझम मध्ये असतात, त्याच्यामधली स्लोएस्ट जी स्टेप असते, स्लो, सगळ्यात स्लो रेट असणारी स्टेप असते, तिला RDS असं म्हणतात, रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप. आणि त्या स्टेप मध्ये असणारे जे रिएक्टंट आहेत त्यांच्या कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनवर रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन अवलंबून असतो. म्हणजे त्या स्लो स्टेप मधल्या RDS मधल्या किंवा ती रिव्हर्सिबल स्टेप असते, तर त्या स्टेप मधल्या रिएक्टंटच्या कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनवर रेट रिएक्शनचा अवलंबून असतो. Now in this rate equation we saw that the rate of the reaction only depends upon concentration of tertiary butyl bromide. This is experimentally found, and therefore we can say that only tertiary butyl bromide is involved in the slow step of this reaction. Now this is overall reaction again, CH3 thrice Br tertiary butyl bromide plus nucleophile, we get the product, substitution product. Now this is again the actual mechanism, tertiary butyl bromide plus nucleophile. Now what happens here, tertiary butyl bromide, this is the first step, is converted to CH3 plus carbocation intermediate. Here Br minus is given out or it is left, so this is leaving group Br minus, this bromine halogen is leaving group. So in this step, in the first step, which is slow step, this bond is broken, CBr bond is completely broken before the attack of nucleophile, and this is because the reason behind this is the crowding or the steric hindrance in this molecule. हा molecule लक्षात घ्या टर्शरी अल्किल हलाइड आहे, कारण याचं नावच टर्शरी ब्युटिल ब्रोमाइड आहे. टर्शरी अल्किल हलाइड असल्यामुळे या कार्बनवर 3 अल्किल ग्रुप आहेत आणि या अल्किल ग्रुप बल्की असतात, मोठे असतात हायड्रोजन पेक्षा, आणि म्हणून अल्किल ग्रुप मोठे मोठे असल्यामुळे इथं स्टिअरिक हिंड्रन्स होतो, क्राउडिंग होते, आणि म्हणून ब्रोमीन या ठिकाणी न्यूक्लिओफाइलच्या अटॅकच्या अगोदर बाहेर पडतो फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये, अँड द रिझल्टिंग स्पेसिस इज इंटरमिजिएट, म्हणजे 2 स्टेप मधली स्पेसिस असते, कार्बोकॅटायन इंटरमिजिएट म्हणजे याला, कारण ह्या मधल्या कार्बनवर जो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक कार्बन आहे त्याच्यावर पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज येतो बिकॉज ऑफ लिव्हिंग द हॅलोजन. मग इथं C प्लस पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आणि त्याच्यावर 3 ग्रुप आहेत, मिथिल ग्रुप CH3 ह्या कार्बोकॅटायन इंटरमिजिएट या ठिकाणी तयार होतो. देन this carbocation intermediate is attacked by the nucleophile in the second step. ही पहिली स्टेप आहे, ही स्लो स्टेप झाली, RDS रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप. सेकंड स्टेप मध्ये न्यूक्लिओफाइल त्या कार्बोकॅटायन वर अटॅक करतो. आता या ठिकाणी जसं आपण बघितलं होतं की SN2 रिएक्शन मध्ये बॅक साइड अटॅक होतो फक्त, कारण त्यावेळेस न्यूक्लिओफाइल ज्यावेळेस अटॅक करतो त्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी हॅलोजन पण असतो, परंतु इथं आता इंटरमिजिएट मध्ये हॅलोजन नाहीये, म्हणून हा प्लेनार इंटरमिजिएट आहे, कार्बोकॅटायन प्लेनार इंटरमिजिएट आहे, आणि त्याच्यावर न्यूक्लिओफाइल अटॅक करताना या ठिकाणी देर आर 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज. द अटॅक मे बी फ्रॉम front side or back side attack. Both side attack is possible. Nucleophile can attack on the planar carbocation from either side. म्हणजे attack from either side. कोणत्याही दोन्हीपैकी कोणत्याही बाजूने, म्हणजे बॅक साइड किंवा फ्रंट साइडने न्यूक्लिओफाइल चे मॉलिक्यूल हे अटॅक करू शकतात. And the product form is CH3 Nu. That means nucleophile. We have taken the example of hydroxide ion, so here it will be OH minus if hydroxide ion is there, so nucleophile, and this is the product, substitution product we get in this reaction. So these are 2 steps. First step, formation of carbocation, breaking of CBr bond. Second step, formation of the product by formation of new bond, that is carbon nucleophile bond. New bond is formed. Here bond breaking and bond forming are not simultaneous processes. Here in the first step bond breaking takes place, and in the second step bond formation takes place. Now we shall study SN1 for optically active substrate. Now if optically active, we know that tertiary butyl bromide is not optically active, it is not unsymmetrical or chiral molecule. Now if the substrate is taken optically active, we shall take example. This is the substrate, here halogen is chlorine, this is the central carbon, and A, B, D, these are the different 3 groups present on this carbon atom, tetrahedral carbon atom, A, B, D, and chlorine as the halogen. So in the slow step, first step, Cl minus will be left or given out, so we will get planar carbocation intermediate, and it will carry A, B and D, these three groups. So it will be planar carbocation. Now in the second step, it will be fast step and nucleophile will attack from either side. There are two possibilities, A and B. So from this side, A side, it will be back side, and this B side, it will be front side. That means from the side of halogen, where halogen was present in the substrate, this is the front side, and the opposite side will be back side. So from both side, the attack of nucleophile is possible here, and we will get the product. We will get the mixture of two products. That is, look here, first product will be this carbon A, B, D and nucleophile. This will be the product similar to the substrate. म्हणजे सबस्ट्रेट सारखंच कॉन्फिगरेशन असणार हा प्रॉडक्ट असेल. म्हणजे सबस्ट्रेट मध्ये न्यूक्लिओफाईल लिव्हिंग ग्रुप या राईट हँड साइडला आहे, इथं पण न्यूक्लिओफाईल त्याच्या जागेवर आलेला असेल. म्हणजे यांचं कॉन्फिगरेशन सेम असणार, सबस्ट्रेट आणि हा प्रॉडक्ट स्मॉल बी प्रॉडक्ट जो आहे त्यांचं कॉन्फिगरेशन. म्हणजे सबस्ट्रेट जर डी असेल तर हा सुद्धा डी असेल प्रॉडक्ट, तो एस असेल सबस्ट्रेट तर प्रॉडक्ट सुद्धा एस असेल. Plus second product is carbon A, B, D and nucleophile. Now here position of nucleophile is opposite as well as the positions of the other three groups are also opposite. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी न्यूक्लिओफाईलने बॅक साइड अटॅक केलेला आहे. बॅक साइड अटॅक झाल्यामुळे पोझिशन चेंज झालेले आहेत. म्हणजे हॅलोजन ज्या ठिकाणी होता सबस्ट्रेट मध्ये त्याच्या अपोजिट साइडला न्यूक्लिओफाईल अटॅक झालेला आहे, आणि हे तीन ग्रुप हे सुद्धा अपोजिट साइडला या ठिकाणी गेलेले आहेत. म्हणजेच हा प्रॉडक्ट इट विल बी with different configuration or opposite configuration to the substrate. म्हणजे सबस्ट्रेट जर डी असेल तर हा प्रॉडक्ट हा एल असेल and vice versa. म्हणजे सबस्ट्रेट एल असेल तर प्रॉडक्ट हा डी असेल, डेक्स्ट्रो रोटेटरी and लिव्हो रोटेटरी. and both these products are formed about equimolar. म्हणजे जवळपास सारखं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन असणारे हे दोन्ही प्रॉडक्ट या ठिकाणी तयार होतात बिकॉज ऑफ बोथ साइड अटॅक. and this is called as racemic product or racemic mixture. याला आपण रॅसेमिक मिक्सचर किंवा रॅसेमिक प्रॉडक्ट असं म्हणतो. म्हणजे दिस प्रोसेस SN2 mechanism undergoes with racemization if the substrate is optically active. Now we shall study the salient features of SN1 mechanism. First is it is two-step mechanism. We have studied before that it is two-step mechanism. One is slow step, which is breaking of the bond, CBR bond, and second is fast step, which is formation of bond between electrophilic carbon and nucleophile. Then second is heterolysis of CX bond in first slow and reversible step to form planar carbocation intermediate. So in the first step, which is slow and reversible, so there is heterolysis of CX bond. Heterolysis means unsymmetrical breaking of CX bond. या ठिकाणी हॅलोजन X मायनस म्हणजे Br मायनस Cl मायनस या फॉर्म मध्ये, Cl मायनस या फॉर्म मध्ये बाहेर पडतो. हे हेटेरोलिसिस या ठिकाणी होतं असं आपण म्हणतो. and after this heterolysis, planar carbocation intermediate is formed in this first step. Then attack of nucleophile on the carbocation in second or fast step to form the product. So in the second step, fast step, the nucleophile attacks and the product is form the product. With optically active substrate, SN1 proceeds with racemization. That means racemic product is formed. Racemic product is the mixture, equimolar mixture of dextrorotatory and livorotatory enantiomers of the same species, same optically active species. So racemic product is formed with optically active substrate. A product is racemic mixture due to attack of nucleophile from either side on the planar carbocation. Why mixture is racemic mixture in the product? Because nucleophile attacks from either side, from front side or back side on the planar carbocation. Therefore, the mixture is obtained as the racemic mixture. Here it is about SN1 reaction mechanism. Thank you very much. Have a good day.